Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer USDT from Kraken to Binance. So if you also want to transfer USDT from Kraken to Binance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Kraken application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Wait for it to load. You can see over here Kraken application is being loaded. You can see over here Kraken application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your identity has been verified. If your identity has not been verified, you'll not be able to carry out the transfer. So transferring the USDT from Kraken to Binance is very simple. All you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, explore, portfolio and account. All you have to do is tap on the portfolio option that you can see at the third. Now you can see over here you'll be led to portfolio interface. Here you can see the portfolio value. Here you'll be able to see two options, deposit and withdraw. If you want to deposit USDT, you can tap on the deposit option. But since we want to transfer the USDT from Kraken to Binance, all you have to do is tap on the withdraw option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your identity in order to continue. So make sure your identity has been verified. Unfortunately, my identity could not be verified, but I'll tell you what to do. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, what you have to do is select the crypto. All you have to do is select USDT over there. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, what you have to do is select network. All you have to do is tap on the network of your choice. But make sure the network you'll select on the Kraken should match with the network that you will select in the Binance later. So select the network of your choice. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, all you have to do is enter the amount that you want to transfer. After that, over there, you'll be able to find the option for select address. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to select the address. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for add withdrawal addresses. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be able to add the address. Simply select the network. Now for address, what you have to do is go to Binance application. Simply open Binance application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Binance application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your identity is verified. If your identity is not verified, you'll not be able to get the address. So getting the address is very simple. All you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to see your ID and username. Also you'll be able to see several other options over here. All you have to do is tap on the deposit option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose the currency. All you have to do is select USDT over here. You can see the option for USDT. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll have to select the network. Simply tap on the network that you had selected earlier in Kraken application. Now after that you'll be able to see the deposit address, but since my account is not verified, I'm not being able to see the address. After you see the address, all you have to do is copy it. After that, simply go back to Kraken application. Now paste the address over there. After that, tap on the continue option that you'll be able to see on your screen. Now go back to withdraw USDT interface. Over there, tap on the option select address. Now you'll be able to see the Binance address over there. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, that particular address will be selected. After that, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Now simply tap on the review option that you'll be able to see on the screen. Confirm your transfer and your USDT will be transferred from Kraken to Binance. So that is how you transfer USDT from Kraken to Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.